Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. Today I have something a bit different for you guys. It's gonna be on the truck only. That's like one of the first things. This is the second video I've done on the truck. We're gonna be doing a chrome delete on here, an engine delete, a muffler. I'm kidding, just a chrome delete. We're just gonna be doing that on the rear bumper. We're gonna see how it looks. It is a vinyl wrap, so it shouldn't be too crazy, super hard either. And then if it looks good, we'll do it on the front. The entire thing, grill, bumper, headlights, everything's gonna look blacked out on this thing. Maybe badges, I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, let's hop out there, get the wrap out. It's pretty big, so anyway, let's get out there and start disassembling things. Alright, so this is 5 foot by 8 foot, and we do have more over there, so that's always good. That will be for the headlights maybe. Alright, so let's just unroll this, start wrapping and prep it, which is going to be with a clay bar. I'm going to take off all the detergents, just waxes, grease, anything, and strip it all with some Dawn soap, and then we'll get on with the wrap, measure it out, and hopefully it's enough to do everything else. But anyway, let's clay it, and I'll see you guys when everything is prepped and ready to go. Alright, as you guys can see my reflection pretty dang well. It is clayed, and it is alcohol bath, so I just sprayed alcohol, or like put it on a rag, wiped it all down. Everything is all clean. Now it's time to I guess lay the wrap for. I didn't take anything apart. I mean, it's pretty hard, so I'm just gonna lay it on, measure it, and then give it a wrap. Alright, so there it is, just kind of hardly laid on, not even glassed yet, but anyway, it looks pretty dang good. The color is pretty close, so this is a 3M 1080 wrap series, so it says it over there. But yeah, there it is. I think it's 10 inches, that's why I did 10 inches up and down, and then the length is 8 feet across, so I mean, there it is, literally perfect. So anyway, I'm just going to continue wrapping it, and I'll give you guys a quick little time lapse. So there it is, glassed except for the middle, basically just because it's just like nothing up here, obviously. So next thing I'm going to do is heat it up, squeegee it out, and you can wrap around these parking sensors if you do have them, so it's totally fine. So anyway, let's just wrap around it and show you the ending result. So here we go. Alright guys, so there it is. It looks very good. Very matches paint very, very nicely, and it looks really good. I think for the entire thing I paid $85 for everything in the front to the back. I didn't do the front yet, but it will be coming soon. But this was 11 inches by 8 foot. So I mean, if your measurements were wrong in the beginning, so there it goes. Anyone that's hop in the car and go end it. But as you guys can see, it is very, very clean, very, very nice. And you can wrap around these again. They are a bit harder, but you just got to heat them up a little bit, as you guys saw, but nothing too crazy. And yeah, so everything looks very well. And if you guys want to see that wrapping, if you hadn't had your fulfillment, card will be up here and it'll be on the end screen too, so you don't miss that. Alright guys, but anyway, thank you for watching the video today. If you liked it and you want to do this to your truck, give it a thumbs up. I mean, anyway, there is definitely more coming for the front. It'll be in a later date, obviously, because it is dark out and no time for it now. Yeah, I'm just busy with a lot of other things. And I want to get you guys' opinion on this. Because so much up with this car over here. I mean, if you care, just skip to this time below. But anyway, yeah, this car is like going through some stuff. The Mercedes, if you guys haven't been keeping up with the channel, but yeah, the Mercedes is not in like it's like I'm in a tough spot again. Like it's a like in the spot to sell it again, I guess you say. That's all I'm gonna say now. But anyway, there might be a tribute video coming up later on. But anyway, let's move on to the outro. So anyway guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you do like the content, and subscribe so you don't miss any new content. And make sure you hit that bell. Bumper and front grille, everything in the face will be coming in a few days. But as always, I hope you guys liked the video. But anyway, until next time, goodbye.